Hello there guys, hope you're okay and welcome to this special video. I'm going to take a look at my journey at the start of the year when I did my budgie breeding guide, and I set up all the boxes, set up all the birds, to right now all the way through all the different videos that I've done. I'm going to compile them all into one video, so if you're new to my channel or you just happen to find this video, you can learn about me, learn about my birds and their journey so far as well. Hope you enjoy it guys. So start off with some new nest boxes, as you can see here, and some of last year's boxes that have been cleaned out, sterilised, ready for the coming breeding season. The new boxes we've got are brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Here we can see the boxes are up and the budgies are checking them out already. This was the 2nd of January. I put them up early in hopes of increasing the settling down time, because it can take up 2-3 weeks before the budgies settle down, even before they think about laying eggs. Here we can see brand new box with sawdust inside, ready for budgies. So there we go, within 5 weeks guys. In shock I was. Chicks hatched already. Normally it takes up to 2 months because they got to settle down, then they got to breed, then they got to lay the eggs, then they got to sit on them. So yeah, amazing. So here we are a week later, and we had some snow the night before, February the 11th. I got more chicks hatching. Okay, so these are new chicks in a box facing the front. At least 2 in there that I could see. This is the nest box on the back. I apologise for the quality. It's quite dark in the aviary at the back at the moment because of the snow on top of the roof. But I think all the eggs are hatched in there. There might be up to 6 chicks or 7 chicks, as you can see, all huddling together. As always, when you're breeding your birds, make sure you give them a nice selection of vegetables, carrots, lettuce and broccoli. And also millet. I'm going to skip ahead to the 25th of February now. Hello there fellow budgie fans and breeders and lovers and bird lovers around the world. I've got some brilliant news today. Got even more chicks, and I hope the chicks that I have got are doing really well and they're growing up to be really lovely, healthy birds. So it's good news. So I've got lots of clips of all my chicks for you guys today and more. So here we go. I'm going to start off with the main aviary. This is inside one of the boxes. The chicks have been quite well. Next is the main aviary outside. I've got at least 2 chicks in this box. Outside the main again, neighbouring nest box. Got 3 chicks in there. Going okay. Main aviary still another box. Oh my god, there must be 6 chicks in there at least, all doing well. Still the main aviary, another box, some chicks freshly hatched, it's like within a week. Another box in the main aviary, there's 2 decent sized chicks doing okay. Okay, last box, main aviary. Lots of chicks in this one. I think all the eggs hatched, at least 5, possibly 6 chicks, all doing brilliantly. Excellent news. Okay, over to the top aviary now. This is the nest box attached to the shed. Lots of chicks doing really well. And onto my oldest chicks now. All 3 survived and are doing really well, colouring up nicely. Onto another box. Unfortunately 2 chicks died in this one, so there's 2 left though, so not bad. Now in this box we've got 3 nice big healthy chicks. And the last box, the one on the back, I think there's at least 3 chicks in there doing okay. So there you go guys, first chicks are now 3 weeks old, feathering up nicely. Here's a look how they were when they hatched. And here they are today, 3 weeks old, just starting to get the feathers. Brilliant stuff. I'm gonna skip ahead to today's update. You can see a lot of the chicks getting their adult feathers. Lovely colours. Starts off in the main aviary. The first two, the female in the box is very messy. So it's very messy in the first 2 boxes. Very messy indeed. Takes a lot of cleaning out. Going that way. Onto my favourite part of the whole video now, my 3 chicks. They've survived the cold weather. They were the first to hatch, and the oldest one is absolutely adorable, and I've fallen in love already. Okay, coming up next, this is the oldest of the 2, the green and yellow chicks, adorable. So how successful has it been so far? Well, I've got up to 30 chicks. I've managed to get it through the coldest part. They all settled down a lot quicker than I thought, by at least 2 or 3 weeks. I thought now around about this time they might be just getting some chicks, but they surprised me. They settled down and they've done okay. I've lost a few chicks, a few setbacks, but overall very good. Lots of chicks, more still hatching. I've got 2 or 3 boxes with eggs in that are due to hatch anytime, and yeah, it's been good, very successful start to the season for me. Oh yeah, onwards and upwards. I can't wait to do more budgie updates for you guys. So if you want to see more, if you want to follow my chicks throughout the year, subscribe and like, guys. It means a lot to me. If you subscribe, it's easy to follow and keep up to date with all my latest updates. So thanks a lot guys, see you next time. Okay, coming up next, this is the oldest of the 2, the green and yellow chicks, adorable.